I never thought I'd use a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 smartphone in 2023, but here I am with the iQOO 12, the world's first phone globally available with this chip. Priced at around $700, it's a powerhouse with top-notch performance that outshines many other Android flagship phones. Let's dive into its features. Starting with the unboxing, the iQOO 12 is special. It's the iQOO 12 Legends Edition inspired by BM2 Motorsport. Opening the box, you get a full experience with a free protective case, a fast 120-watt charger, and a USB-C cable. It's impressive that they're doing this in 2023, and they deserve praise. Despite packing a 5000 mAh battery, iQOO 12 is incredibly thin and light at 8.1 millimeters thickness and 23 grams weight. This is thanks to the Pro Performance graphite battery, 9% larger in capacity than the previous generation. The design is inspired by BM2 Motorsport, featuring a tricolor pattern on the back, giving it a racing and adventure vibe. The display is outstanding with a 6.78-inch screen, 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display, and mind-blowing 3000 nits of brightness. It's one of the brightest displays I've seen, with vibrant colors and a flat design featuring a center punch hole for the 16-megapixel front camera. What sets the iQOO 12 apart is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, making it significantly faster than other Android flagships. The iQOO 12 also boasts a supercomputing chip Q1 for enhanced gaming experiences, handling up to 144 FPS. To keep it cool during long gaming sessions, it has a 6K vapor cooling chain. In terms of power efficiency, the iQOO 12 builds on the success of its predecessor, the Agent 2. With 120-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just 27 minutes, which is impressive. The iQOO 12 runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, offering simplicity and high customizability. The animation and performance are extremely smooth, taking full advantage of the 144Hz refresh rate. Moving to the cameras, the iQOO 12 features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel astrography camera, a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The astrography camera excels in low light, and the telephoto lens offers versatile zoom capabilities up to 100x. For videos, you can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS or 4K 30 FPS, with accurate colors and good exposure balance. The iQOO 12 even supports shooting 8K videos up to 30 FPS for detailed footage in well-lit conditions. Overall, the iQOO 12 stands out in the market with its top-notch performance, fastest GPU, brightest display at 3000 nits, and 120-watt fast charging. It's the only global phone with the iQOO Gen 3 chip, making it a great choice for those seeking future features. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.